If you're considering Postclick for your landing pages, there are some key things you need to know before making your purchase. In this video, we'll take a look at Postclick's features, pros, cons, and how it stacks up against competitors, so you can decide if it's the right choice for your business. First, let's talk about ease of use. Postclick offers a drag and drop builder, making it easy to create landing pages without needing technical skills. This feature is a big plus compared to some competitors like Unbounce or Instapage, which, while powerful, can be a bit overwhelming for beginners. Next thing, Postclick is heavily focused on conversion rate optimization. The platform offers smart targeting features like personalized content and A/B testing, which are designed to help improve your landing page's performance. However, while Postclick is good at SEO, competitors like Leadpages offer similar tools with a more extensive template library, so it's worth considering if template variety is important to you. The third thing is its integrations. Postclick connects with a number of CRM, email marketing, and analytics tools, which is great for syncing your campaigns. But when compared to competitors like HubSpot or ActiveCampaign, Postclick may have fewer integration options, which could limit your flexibility depending on your current tech stack. Moving on to the fourth thing, pricing. Postclick's pricing can get a bit pricey for smaller businesses, especially when you consider that alternatives like ClickFunnels or Leadpages offer more budget-friendly plans. So, it's important to evaluate if Postclick's features are worth the higher cost, especially for businesses just starting out. The fifth thing to know is Postclick's focus on automation. It offers automatic audience segmentation and dynamic content personalization, which are useful for businesses looking to scale. But again, other platforms like Unbounce also offer similar features, and some users might find Postclick's automation a bit more complex than necessary. Next, let's talk about support. Postclick offers email and chat support, but it's not as extensive as some competitors. For example, Unbounce provides 24/7 support, and Instapage has dedicated onboarding to help you get started faster. If customer support is a major concern for you, these additional options might be a deciding factor. The seventh thing to know is Postclick's analytics. While it provides detailed insights into page performance, some users find it lacks the depth offered by other platforms like Instapage, which has more advanced A/B testing analytics. Now, let's dive into the eighth thing, landing page speed. Postclick's pages load quickly, which is crucial for keeping bounce rates low. However, many of its competitors, such as Leadpages, also offer optimized speed with very similar performance, so there's not a huge edge here. The ninth thing to consider is its customization options. Postclick offers a range of design elements, but if you need a truly custom landing page, you may run into some limitations. Platforms like Webflow and WordPress allow for more detailed customization, so if you need more creative freedom, those might be better choices. The 10th thing is Postclick's mobile responsiveness. Like most landing page builders, it's mobile friendly, but there have been some complaints about the responsiveness not being as flawless as that of Unbounce or Instapage. If mobile optimization is critical for you, take extra care to check the mobile version of your pages. Moving on to the 11th thing, Postclick's testing capabilities. It offers A/B testing, but competitors like ConvertKit or Optimizely have more advanced split testing tools. So, if you're really focused on testing different variables to optimize conversions, Postclick may not be as robust as others. Lastly, the 12th thing to keep in mind is Postclick's scalability. It's a solid choice for growing businesses that want to increase conversion rates, but larger enterprises may want to look at more advanced tools, such as Salesforce or Marketo, which provide a broader range of enterprise-level features. In conclusion, Postclick is a great option if you're looking for a user-friendly landing page builder focused on conversions. However, depending on your business needs and budget, there are other tools like Unbounce, Leadpages, and Instapage that might offer better value for the money. If you're looking for a better option with a more flexible, powerful toolset, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.